With so many different Chefman air fryers available, narrowing down the top picks can be a challenge. Luckily, I've done the research for you by using my culinary experience to select the best Chefman air fryers that you can buy. Just make sure to click the links in the description box to see the current prices for each of the products. The number 5 product on my list of Chefman air fryer reviews is the Chefman Digital Air Fryer, which I rate as the best Chefman air fryer for those on a budget. This 5-quart Chefman air fryer offers an impressive blend of convenience, capacity, and cooking performance that makes it a solid choice for families. You'll appreciate the spacious 5-quart basket that lets you cook meals for the whole family. It's perfect for whipping up batches of crispy fries, chicken wings, or even a small whole chicken. The non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze, and you can pop the basket right into the dishwasher when you're done. The digital touchscreen interface puts you in control with just a few taps. You've got 4 preset cooking functions for popular dishes like fries and chicken, taking the guesswork out of timing and temperature. For more adventurous cooks, you can manually set the temperature anywhere from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you the flexibility to perfect your recipes. One standout feature you'll love is the LED shake reminder. It alerts you when it's time to give your food a shake, ensuring even cooking and that perfect golden brown finish. This thoughtful addition helps prevent those disappointing batches where some pieces are overcooked while others are underdone. The Chefman air fryer's sleek black exterior looks great on your countertop, and its compact design helps save space. While it's not tiny, it's still more manageable than a traditional oven for quick meals and snacks. The stainless steel accents add a touch of style and are easy to wipe clean. You'll find the automatic shutoff feature particularly useful. It pauses cooking when you open the basket and resumes where it left off when you replace it. This safety feature gives you peace of mind and prevents overcooking if you need to check on your food mid-cycle. Plus, once the timer runs out, the unit turns itself off, so you don't have to worry about leaving it running accidentally. Moving on to the 4th best Chefman air fryer, we have the Chefman TurboFry 8-quart touch air fryer. I seriously think you'll love this family-sized air fryer for its convenience, capacity, and crispy results. The Chefman TurboFry Touch 8-quart air fryer is a game changer for family meals. Its spacious 8-quart basket lets you cook enough food for 6 people at once, perfect for busy weeknight dinners. You'll appreciate how quickly it cooks, getting meals on the table in no time. One-touch digital controls make operation a breeze. With 4 preset functions for popular foods like fries and chicken, you can start cooking with just a tap. The LED display is clear and easy to read, showing you the temperature and cooking time at a glance. Temperature control is precise, ranging from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This versatility allows you to air fry, roast, bake, and even reheat leftovers. The LED shake reminder is a thoughtful feature, ensuring your food cooks evenly for that perfect crispy texture. Cleaning up is a snap thanks to the non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket and tray. The stainless steel exterior wipes clean easily, keeping your kitchen tidy. You'll love how this air fryer combines functionality with a sleek, modern design that looks great on your counter. Safety features add peace of mind to your cooking experience. The air fryer automatically pauses when you open it and resumes cooking when closed. It also shuts off on its own after cooking, so you don't have to worry if you forget to turn it off. Checking in at number 3 on my Chefman air fryer review roundup is the popular Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer, which is a versatile kitchen powerhouse that combines multiple cooking functions in one sleek appliance. The Chefman Multifunctional Air Fryer Plus is a culinary game changer. With its spacious 10-liter capacity, you can whip up family-sized meals or prep ingredients for the week ahead. The appliance boasts 17 preset options, letting you air fry, roast, dehydrate, bake, and more at the touch of a button. You'll appreciate the Smart Touch Controls screen that makes selecting your desired cooking method a breeze. The rapid air technology ensures your food cooks evenly and quickly, giving you that coveted crispy texture without the need for excessive oil. It's a healthier way to enjoy your favorite fried foods. The rotisserie function is a standout feature. You can easily prepare a whole chicken or roast, and the included retrieval tool makes it safe and simple to remove your perfectly cooked masterpiece. The 3 airflow racks allow you to cook multiple dishes simultaneously, saving you time and energy. Monitoring your food's progress is effortless thanks to the large viewing window and interior light. You won't need to open the door and release heat, ensuring consistent cooking temperatures. The dishwasher-safe part and removable drip tray make cleanup a snap, letting you focus on enjoying your meal rather than scrubbing pots and pans. For those who love to experiment in the kitchen, the dehydrator function opens up a world of possibilities. Create your own dried fruits, herbs, or jerky with ease. The Chefman air fryer's versatility means you can replace several kitchen appliances with this single unit, freeing up valuable counter and storage space. Now, for the runner-up on my list of Chefman air fryer reviews, I honestly think you'll love this versatile dual basket air fryer for its convenience and ability to cook multiple dishes simultaneously. The Chefman TurboFry Touch. Dual brings double the cooking power to your kitchen. With 2 independent 3-quart baskets, you can prepare a main dish and side simultaneously. This feature is perfect for busy households or when you're entertaining guests. You'll appreciate the sink finish option, which allows both baskets to complete cooking at the same time. No more juggling different cooking times or letting one dish get cold while waiting for the other to finish. The temperature range of 200 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit gives you flexibility to cook a wide variety of foods, from delicate vegetables to crispy chicken wings. The easy view windows are a standout feature, letting you keep an eye on your food without opening the baskets and interrupting the cooking process. This helps maintain consistent temperatures and ensures your dishes come out perfectly cooked every time. Cleanup is a breeze with the non-stick dishwasher-safe baskets. You'll spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meals. The automatic shutoff provides peace of mind, preventing overcooking if you get distracted. The high fry option is great for achieving extra crispy results on foods like French fries or breaded chicken. You'll get that satisfying crunch without the excess oil of traditional deep frying. The shake reminder is another thoughtful feature, prompting you to flip or shake your food for even cooking. As for the best Chefman air fryer, I'd have to say that the spacious Chefman air fryer toaster oven combo earns the #1 spot on my Chefman air fryer reviews roundup. If you're looking for a high-quality air fryer for your kitchen, then you'll love this versatile 12-in-1 air fryer oven for its precise cooking and convenient features. The Chefman Exact Temp Air Fryer oven brings professional-grade cooking to your kitchen. Its standout feature is the integrated meat thermometer, which takes the guesswork out of cooking. You can monitor your food's internal temperature in real time, ensuring perfectly cooked meals every time. With 12 cooking functions at your fingertips, you'll find yourself using this appliance daily. Air fry, toast, broil, bake, dehydrate. The possibilities are endless. The one-touch presets make it easy to get started, while the customizable temperature range from 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit lets you fine-tune your cooking. Size matters, and this 20-quart oven delivers. You can easily fit a 10-inch pizza, 4 slices of toast, or even a 6-pound chicken. It's perfect for families or anyone who loves to entertain. The spacious interior doesn't mean it skimps on even cooking. The convection technology ensures your food is cooked thoroughly and consistently. Cleaning up is a breeze with this Chefman oven. The non-stick dishwasher-safe parts mean you won't be scrubbing for hours after cooking. The pull-out crumb tray is a thoughtful addition that makes maintenance simple and quick. Safety features are a priority with this appliance. It comes equipped with overheat protection and automatic shutoff, giving you peace of mind while you cook. The UL certification and 1-year assurance from Chefman further attest to its quality and durability. And with that said, I really hope my video helped you to pick the right Chefman air fryer for you. Again, the links to each of these products are at the top of the description box. Please feel free to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.